First and foremost, all praises Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushai, Ba'ashem, Mukwa, Quadash. I'm going to say peace, blessings, salutations, to the Akim, pushing this truth, Shalom, honors to the elders, double honors. I don't really got anything planned out. It's going to kind of go on the spirit here, Lord will. Brakatah Yahweh, Brakatah Yahweh Shai, Brakatah Yahweh, Brakatah Yahweh Shai, Brakatah Yahweh, Brakatah Yahweh Shai. Brakatah Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushai, Ba'ashem, Mukwa, Quadash. And we got, a lot of stuff going on, in the world today. In the world today. A lot of evil. Alright, Matthew chapter 5. We'll say verse 7. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Verse 8. Blessed are pure in heart, for they shall see the Most High. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of the Most High. And it's like Job 9:24, the earth is given to the hand of the wicked. He covered the face of the judges thereof, not wherein who is he. We know that this earth has been given to the hand of the wicked, and that wicked being Esau, Edomites, head tribe Amalek, it's like Revelation 3:9, 2:9, Revelation 2:9, Revelation 3:9, the synagogue of Satan who claim to be the Jews but do lie. I'm gonna get that. Get 2:9 first. Galatians 2 verse 9. I know thy works and tribulation and poverty, but thou art rich. And it's talking about, the Lord's, his chosen, his people. Lord willing, we're that number. And then it's gonna go to the others. So I'm gonna start again from the beginning. 2:9, Revelation 2 verse 9. Know thy works and tribulation and poverty, but thou art rich. And I know the blasphemy of them which say they are Jews and are not, but are synagogue of Satan. You got your, Amalek, over in the land of Israel, claiming to be, the true Jews. And obviously it says right here, but they are the synagogue of Satan. We know that the physical counterpart of Satan, is Esau, is the Edomites. There's a spiritual demon Satan, which the Most High, he works for the Most High. That's the son of the Most High. You know what I mean? On the left hand side, and he's got the devils on this earth, the Antichrist on this earth, in the trick bag. It's the Lord's will. It shall be done. And I'm going to go now. Revelation chapter 3. I'm going to start at verse 8. I know thy works. Behold, I have set before thee an open door, and no man can shut it. For thou hast a little strength, and hast kept my word, and hast not denied my name. Verse 9. Behold, I will make them of the synagogue of Satan. Talking about Esau and the Amalek and, the people over there in the land of Israel claiming to be the Jews. Behold, I will make them of the synagogue of Satan, which say they are Jews and are not, but do lie. Who's the biggest liar in the world? You know what I mean? It's Esau. It's these governments. They, all their riches, all their land, everything that they have, everything that they possess, is all got by deceit or steal and kill. You know what I mean? They have stole everything from everyone, and then they have destroyed people's heritage. Like the 12 tribes of Israel. You know, they just totally destroyed, the tribe's heritage. It says, "Behold, I will make them to come and worship before thy feet, and to know that I have loved thee." And that's a future prophecy. When this shit cracks off, uh, you know, those survivors, of the Edomites, and they're gonna know who the real chosen are, and the Lord's gonna make them, bow down before those chosen feet. It's all praise to Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai. Like, let's see here. Let me get I'm just gonna do a little short video here. But this is how we know, let's go Revelation chapter 17, verse 5. "And upon her forehead was a name written, Mystery Babylon the Great," which is America. Okay? "The mother of harlots and abominations of the earth." This is the most wicked place in the whole earth. You know what I mean? It's the mother of harlots. It's the mother of wickedness. That's what it is. I'm gonna get verse 6. "And I saw the woman drunken," the woman being in this instance Babylon. I saw the woman drunken with the blood of the saints, and the blood of the marvels of Yahushua. And when I saw her, I wondered with great admiration. That's John, wondering after this beast, marveling at the beast. And in verse 7 it says, "And the angel said unto John," and it says, "And the angel said unto me, Wherefore didst thou marvel? I will tell you the mystery of the woman, and of the beast that carrieth her, and had the 7 heads and 10 horns." That's the beast, man. This is a spiritual Rome, and it's of the seven heads and the 10 horns. I'm going to get a couple more here. Brother's been bringing this out. This is Revelation 19. And we'll start at 11. "And I saw heaven open, and behold, a white horse." And white means pure, and horse means power. And this is going into the white horse being the Yahweh Shai on the fathership, the chariot. "And he that sat upon him was called Faithful and True, and in righteousness he doeth judge and make war. His eyes were a flame of fire, and on his heads were many crowns," because he's going to come down here and he's going to destroy all these governments, these mountains, the kings of the earth. And and there's one true king, and that's Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai. It says, "And he had a name written that no man knew but himself, and he was clothed with a vesture dipped in blood, and his name was called the Word of the Most High," the Word of God, the Word of Yahweh. And yeah, real quick. I'm going to end with these right here. It's Isaiah 63. "Who is he that cometh from Edom with dyed garments from Bozrah?" It's talking about Edom, the Edomites. That is glorious in his appear, traveling in greatness of his strength. "I that speak in righteousness might to save." And it's talking about, Yahweh Shai, when he returns, he's returning to, like, who's ruling the earth now is Edom. And when Yahushua returns, that's who's going to be ruling the earth. And Yahushua is going to take him down, through these ICBMs and through the lasers from the chariots. It says, verse 2, wherefore art thou red in thy apparel, and thy garments like him that treadeth in the wine fat. I had trodden the winepress alone, and of the people there was none with me. For I will tread them in my anger, and trample them in my fury, and their blood shall be sprinkled upon garments, and I will stain all my raiment. For the day of vengeance is in my heart, and the year of my redeemed is come. It's come. And, it's symbolically speaking, but it's like, one of the numbers, I'm not sure which one, maybe Numbers 23, but there's that verse where, the innocent blood shed. The only thing that could cleanse the earth from all the bloodshed is the blood of them who shed it, the blood of them that shedded the blood. So, and just like, in Revelation, is it 11:3 or something? I'll try to get real quick. Maybe it's 4:10. Revelation. I'm just roughly paraphrasing, He that leadeth into captivity shall be killed, should be taken into captivity, and he that killeth with the sword shall be killed with the sword. Okay, 13:10. Revelation 13:10. Start 9. If any man have an ear, let him hear. 10. He that leadeth into captivity shall go into captivity. He that killeth with the sword must be killed with the sword. Here's the patience and faith of the saints. So, a little quick hitter. I was supposed to say, all praise Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Rukwah, Kwadash, Brakatah Yahweh, Brakatah Yahweh Shai, Brakatah Yahweh, Brakatah Yahweh Shai, Brakatah Yahweh, Brakatah Yahweh Shai, all praise Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Rukwah, Kwadash, Shalom.